Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Expert Engineers. Today we will discuss how to find area of sphere. Now let's start. Before going to proceed further, first we will discuss what is the area. Area of any figure is defined as the surface covered by that figure. Let's explain this. Let's suppose I have this sphere and the surface covered by this sphere on screen is actually its area. Similarly, the surface covered by this rectangle on the screen is actually its area. And what is the unit of area? Area is always measured in square units like meter square, centimeter square, feet square, etc. Now we will discuss area of sphere. Sphere is actually a two-dimensional shape having all four sides equal in length and all four angles must be equal to 90 degree. How to find the area of sphere? The area of the sphere can be measured by multiplying its length and width. Let's explain this. Let's suppose that I have this sphere and L is the length of this sphere. As we know that if L is the length of one side of the sphere, then all four sides of this sphere must have the same length, means so we can write area of sphere is equal to length multiplied by length. Or in other words, we can also write it as area of sphere is equal to length square. Now let's solve an example. Find the area of sphere whose length of one side is 30 centimeter. Let's suppose that we have this sphere and the length of one side is given to us, that is equal to 30 centimeters. It means that the length of all other side must be 30 centimeter. As we know that area of sphere is equal to length multiplied by length. By multiplying its length, we get the area of sphere is equal to 900 centimeters square. Now let's solve another example. Find the length of a square-shaped masjid if its area is 8100 meters square. In this case, the scenario is a little bit changed. We have to find the length of sphere from its area. Let's assume that we have this sphere and we have to find its length. And area is given to us. As we know that area of sphere is equal to length multiplied by length, or L square. But we have to find the length of sphere. So if we take square root on both sides, then we get length of sphere is equal to square root of area of sphere. By putting the value of area of sphere shaped masjid, we get the length of masjid, that is equal to 90 meter. Now let's solve another example. Again, the scenario is changed. The square-shaped car parking area whose length is 120 meter. Find the total cost of the marble required for the whole parking area if the cost of marble per meter square is Rs 50. In this case, the length of square-shaped car parking area is given to us, that is 120 meter. And we have to find the total amount required for marble. The cost of marble per unit area is given to us. Let's assume that this is a square-shaped car parking area and the length of this car parking area is given to us, that is 120 meter. As we know that area of sphere is equal to length multiplied by length. In this case, we will find the area first and then we multiply the per meter square cost with this area. We will get total amount required for the marble. By putting the values in the above formula, we get the area of square, that is 14,400 meters square. So the area of square shaped car parking 14,400 meters square. And the total amount required for marble is equal to area of square multiplied by amount required per unit area. So by putting the values, we get total amount required for the marble, that is 7,20,000 rupees. And finally, what we have learned from this lesson: what is the area of a figure and what is a square? How to find the area of square from its length? How to find the length of a square from its area? And how to find the amount required for the whole area to perform any work if the cost per unit area is given. Thanks for watching this video.